What up? So here's my next project I'm going to be doing. It is a toucan bird, in case you couldn't notice. And got it off the internet. I probably paid too much for it. It seems kind of cheap. Probably paid too much for it. But you know, with my projects, the one thing I've noticed is I'm not good at being creative. So I'm just going to go and take this thing and try to animate it. Servos. Anmiatronic Tiki. Not animatronic. Well, animatronic topical toucan, I guess. So I was a little nervous that it might be made out of styrofoam, but it is hollow. So, like I said, I probably paid way too much for it, especially since I'm going to be cutting it up. So I'm just going to make this video documenting the process. First thing I'm going to do is cut the beak open to see if I can get the beak moving. Okay, so I cut the beak open, and as you can see, the paint started tripping, but that's no big deal. This is yellow underneath, so I can take off the whole paint and the yellow beak will be fine. When I cut the head off, I was trying to keep the feathers on as much as possible. So the plan is the head is going to have up, down, left, right, and the mouth's going to work. Okay, so the plan is I'm going to try to take this servo and stick it up on the inside, mount it like this for the mouth, and I'm going to mount it in there by cutting out a plate of this acrylic. So the servo will be attached to that plate and it'll just shove up in there and wedge in there. So we'll see how I'm able to do this. Okay, I got the mouth working. Have a little ball joint there. You see I have string on the outside here that I'll cover up. And on the inside there, you see I have that plate tied in there with the servo. Let's see if I have enough hands to do this. I just have a little Arduino set up to test out the servo. Oh. Let me set this up real quick on the tripod. Okay. So, let's see, that's a good angle right there. See, so I have the mouth working. So I got one function in. Now I'll have to do the head movements.